Hello, this is question 6B of the 2022-2023 NECO examination, and it says simplify 3 root 5 plus root 2 minus 1 over root 5 minus root 2. The first thing is to find the LCM such that we can combine this expression together. And the LCM for this is root 5 plus root 2 and the root 5 minus root 2. So root 5 in this expression, that gives us root 5 minus root 2 multiplied by 3, that gives us 3 the bracket root 5 minus root 2 minus root 5 minus root 2 in this expression, that gives us root 5 plus root 2. So let us open this bracket such that this becomes 3 root 5 minus 3 root 2 minus root 5 and the plus root 2 over, if you open this bracket, this becomes 5 and minus root 10 plus root 10 and the minus 2. So let's bring this together. 3 root 5 minus root 5, that gives us 2 root 5. 3 root 2 plus root 2, that gives us minus 2 root 2 all over. Let's cancel this. 5 minus, this is plus, this is minus, sorry, 5 minus 2, that gives us 3. So that gives us 3. Sorry for the mistake. So we can factor out 2. So that gives us root 5 minus root 2 all over 3. So we can leave our answer like this, and we can write it as 2 over 3 root 5 minus root 2. So that is the solution to question 6B of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. Please, it is a series, and for other solution within the series as regards NECO examination 2022-2023, please check my channel. They are very much available. Till I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much, and be good.